Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm the founder of Vital Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Whoop device to our platform. First, you're going to have to create a Whoop developer account, then create an API key, enter that information into the Vital Trends website, and connect and log in. That's very simple. It looks complicated, but takes around 2 minutes. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do, of course, is log into Vital Trends. So let me do it now. All right, I'm logged in. I'm going to go to Connect Account. Then you can see in my Whoop card, it's not connected. So let's set it up. In this page, you have all the steps that you're going to need to go through, which is create your Whoop developer app, then save the credentials, and then for last, authorize the connection. So let's do this. I'm going to go step number 1. I'm going to open this in a new tab so I can easily copy this information later if I need. Let's go here. I'm just going to sign to my Whoop. Just use your regular Whoop, login password. All right, you can see I already have some apps, but I'm going to create a new one. So let's say you don't have any yet. You're just going to create a new app. You can put a name here. I'm going to call Vital Trends account, for example. You can put any name, doesn't matter. Here you're going to have to enter your email. And this information you're going to get from the Vital Trends website. So let's go to the privacy policy. You go back here. You can just copy the privacy policy. The redirect URL. The redirect URL here. Copy and paste. All right. And then scopes. This is where we actually, the information that we need to collect from Whoop into our website and then for you to download later on. Just select everything. And this is also very important, also the webhooks. The webhooks can allow that as soon as you finish, practicing your sport, going to the gym, a run, etc., it's going to push that information into Vital Trends as well. So we're going to have to add. Go back here. Just going to say seed the webhook URL. So set here, click copy, come here, paste, and create app. And then that's the first thing you need to do, create app. And boom, you have your credentials created. So I'm just going to select this, copy, and then go to the second step, which is save your credentials. Here, now go to the client secret. I'm going to unhide this, select, copy, and paste. Now I'm going to save the credentials into our website. Beautiful. So what we've done, we created the application, we saved and generated these credentials, saved into the platform. Now I need to authorize my account to use those credentials. So I'm just going to click Connect Whoop. And I need to enter that login information again. And with that, I just need to grant authorization for that connection to be done. Boom. Okay, your Whoop is connected. And then from this point on, Vital Trends is going to be automatically pulling data from your Whoop information. And there's nothing you need to do. Just do this once and forget. Thank you. Have a great day.